Howdy All, this is your host Rowan. Welcome back to LovettGamez. Decided to do another Pop Tart review. This time is the chocolate pretzel Pop Tarts, which again I don't like pretzels, so I will automatically be a little biased on this. Not huge into sweets, so the chocolate Pop Tarts could be good or bad. We'll find out. Also got a glass of milk. After the last one, definitely made sure to have milk because the Pop Tart pretzel cinnamon sugar ones were dry. They were by far the driest Pop Tarts I've ever had. But again, let's go up. You can see the box here. Pop Tarts chocolate pretzel, sweet and salty, just like the cinnamon sugar, but these are chocolate. Also has 390 calories. I'll read these off. Total fat 18% of your daily value. 14 grams, 0 grams of cholesterol, 560 grams of sodium, which is 24% of your daily value. 64 grams of total carbohydrates, which is 23% of your daily value. 5% of your daily or dietary fibers, 1 gram, 27 grams of sugar, including another 27 grams of additional sugars at 54% of your daily value, 4 grams of protein, 8% of your daily iron, 4% of your daily thiamine, 10% of your daily niacin, 10% of oleic acid, 10% riboflavin. Another thing that I'm going to have to check my blood sugar after I end up eating, because this is very sweet. And I don't know. It says sweet and salty. The last one was just salty. So this one probably is sweet because it is chocolate. But let us open it up. Take a look at. They look identical. They feel a little bit more stuffed though. I mean, you can tell they have like a chocolate swirl on it. They feel just slightly more stuffed. Just to get a better view of the chocolate. We'll see how they taste. First, dry. Nowhere near as bad or as dry as the cinnamon ones. They are still super dry. The texture of a saltine cracker. You can see the salt on the top of the Pop Tart. But they are a lot softer than the cinnamon pretzel. I will say you do need a drink. I really don't taste the sweet too much in it. I do taste the chocolate. It's definitely salty chocolate. I mean, there is a good amount of chocolate. But it literally tastes like salty chocolate. I could not imagine eating this without having a drink. I don't think you could. The other one, this one we're going to go ahead and dip. See how that tastes. If it makes it any better. Makes it a world better. I would have gave it a 1, maybe a 2 out of 10 without dip in it, but I may give it a 3. I wouldn't buy these again, but it's an interesting thing to try. They definitely are salty. If you like salty chocolate, this may be up for you. It is super salty. There is nothing sweet about this. If they didn't have 54% of your daily sugar list on the box, I wouldn't even know it. Can't imagine these without sugar added because it is very salty. It's like having a salt lick. All done. But yeah, these are the pretzel chocolate. They are honestly not that bad. But it's not something I'd ever buy again. They are very, very salty. And I mean, it says sweet and salty. It says you can eat them frozen, which I think would be gross. And stacked. Too much there. Most of the time I do Pop Tarts in the toaster, but I didn't want to toast these. I wanted to open them here on camera. But I do not love it. I would definitely say it's about a 3. Not recommend it unless you really love salty chocolate. I would not recommend it. But thanks for tuning in. Hope you make your own decisions on chocolate pretzels, Pop Tarts. Not a fan. I'm not a fan. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next episode.